Are you ready to take control of your financial future? In this video, I'll guide you through all the essential steps to achieve your financial goals. Whether it's buying a home or retiring early, we've got you covered. First, let's understand the importance of planning. Clear financial goals will give you direction. They help you focus your efforts and track your progress. Now let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation. Gather your income, expenses, and savings. This will help you understand where you stand financially. Step 2. Set specific and measurable goals. Write down what you want to achieve. Examples include saving for a home or retirement. Step 3. Create a budget that aligns with these goals. Track your spending and find areas to save money. Prioritize your financial goals in your spending. Step 4. Invest your savings wisely. Consider using tools like fractional shares to grow your wealth. I recommend several apps that can help you invest with ease. To summarize, take charge of your finances by assessing your situation, setting clear goals, budgeting, and investing wisely. Each step builds on the last to help you achieve financial success. If you found this video helpful, take action now. Let's create that financial future you desire together.